Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, what I would be sharing to you today would be the latest collection of Dior Men. So this is the very first show of our beloved J.W. Anderson ever since he is now the new creative director of Dior. So now Dior is cool again, and I'm so excited to share to you all the new bags from his latest runway collection for Men's Paris Fashion Week. Enjoy! Hi guys, Ron here, is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, I'm very excited to share to you Dior's Men's Summer 2026 Paris Fashion Week. First, we have, guys, not the official name, Birkin Dior. So it looks like a Birkin to me. So this is a new bag designed by J.W. Anderson. So this is a top handle style tote bag with sangles and CD logo for closure. Material is suede leather and it would come with detachable crossbody strap. Next on this one, just look how luxurious this is. So another quote-unquote Birkin Dior, a new design of J.W. Anderson. So it's the same design. So as you can see, guys, it kind of resembles the Birkin, don't you think? Kindly comment down below if I'm the only one seeing the resemblance with the Birkin bag. So this is the close-up with the sangles and of course the CD closure. I love, of course, the material that they have used. Next, guys, also I feel that this is another re-edition or reimagine of the Lady Dior Soft, not the official name. So a new bag designed by J.W. Anderson. So this is a front view of the bag. So it material is suede leather with detachable crossbody strap. It's like a hybrid of a slouchy Lady Dior in a speedy shape. Next, guys, I love this new design. So top handle bag, not the official name. New bag designed by J.W. Anderson. Material is leather with detachable crossbody strap. So this is a top handle bag design. It would come with silver hardware. And what I'm loving about this design is the very minimal Dior logo. The colorway of this one is black. It kind of also resembles the Loewe puzzle bag, don't you think? So another colorway in gray. So the same design bag. I love also the size. I feel that this top handle bag is perfect for everyday, even for travel. Just look at the size, and it comes with top handle and detachable leather strap. Very versatile. And of course, I love the silver hardware that it comes with. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, so next on the runway collection, we have the messenger bag style. So this is a new design by J.W. Anderson for Dior. Material is the Dior oblique canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with adjustable crossbody strap. So this is a crossbody bag design. So this is one look. So just look at the hardware. I love, of course, the use of CD as the hardware of the bag. So it would come, of course, in another material. So messenger bag style, or messenger bag, not the official name. A new bag designed by J.W. Anderson. So this one is much more minimal compared to the Dior oblique canvas. So I love, of course, the material that they have used with cowhide leather trims. So this is the two version with the Dior oblique, and then of course the canvas version. Next, guys, so it would also come in the suede leather. I feel that the suede leather, not just in Dior, would be very big in different luxury houses. So this messenger bag style, I love like the cream caramel colorway with the silver CD hardware. So of course the shoulder strap is fully adjustable, which I really love and adore. Next, guys, so we have a backpack. So another bag design by JW Anderson. So this time he is using the Dior oblique canvas of the house. Of course, it would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with gold hardware, so they're using again the CD as the closure of the bag, which I find so chic. And then next on the collection, so we have the same bag, so messenger bag style. So this time, this is a new bag design by JW Anderson. Material is canvas, and we are going to see that there is a Dracula by Bram Stoker print with cowhide leather trims. It would come, of course, with adjustable crossbody strap. So this is a cross body bag design, smaller than the one that we have discussed. Then, guys, let us discuss the many book totes on the runway collection. So the very first book tote, we had the classic book tote reimagined by J.W. Anderson. So I think what he did was the cover and title of the book, because of course this is a book tote. It's like a tongue-in-cheek play on the name of the bag. So first we have the Dracula by Bram Stoker in yellow canvas. Then we have another book tote. The print of this one is Dior by Dior print design. And of course, zooming in, we are going to see that the material is canvas. So it comes in two sizes, guys. It would come, of course, just like a PM size of LV. Then it would come in an MM size. So this is the MM size, I feel. So I'm just hoping that he are going to make or add detachable strap on the Dior Book Tote, so it would be easier to carry. So another bag design. So this is in French, guys. I'm not going to bother to read because I'm going to butcher it. So but it's the in pink colorway. So if you love pink and if you love, like, smaller Dior Book Tote, then this could be perfect for you. Another book tote on the runway. So we have the Bonjour Tristesse. So I'm sure I'm butchering that. Apologies. So of course, perfect colorway. It comes in PM and it comes in this PM size as well. So of course, the colorway, I love the body would be white and then there is a border of the green. So I would believe that this is another book that then we have another book tote. So this one, I love the colorway because of course it's in color black. The title of the book and this one is in Cold Blood. Then of course we are going to see it's like a glass design, and then there is a shattered part on one side of the Dior Book Tote. So how fun it would be if it's going also to make in the leather version, then of course adding the detachable strap. So another book tote. So this is the PM size, Ulysses by James Joyce. Then of course on the underneath we have the Dior. So this is the close-ups. You're going to see the material canvas of the Dior Book Tote. So guys, how do you feel with the reimagined book tote by JW Anderson? Are you going to purchase anytime soon amidst the scandal that happened couple of months back? So again, so we have another design, so Les Fleur du Mal. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. So this is the PM size. I love the PM size, so cute. Of course, I'm praying that they're hopefully in the future that they are going to add D-rings so we could add detachable straps. Then we have another book tote. I feel this is a PM size. So colorway is cream, so it has a border of lace, and this is the close-up look. So it says Gustave Flaubert, so I believe that is the author. Then we have the Madame Bovary. So if I'm not mistaken, in my wild guess, guys, these books are the favorite of Monsieur Christian Dior. So guys, oh my god, this one is so breathtaking. So we have the Lady Dior. Classic Lady Dior reimagined by J.W. Anderson in collaboration with Atelier Sheila Hicks. So this is like a Lady Dior art. So this is the first time that I've seen that they have let a menswear show use a Lady Dior, which I feel is so chic. So this is how they carry this on the runway. I love the colorway of this one, guys. Red leather with red tassels, then of course gold hardware, so chic. And of course I love that now men are carrying, even the husband of Rihanna is carrying. I'm kind of blacking out on the names, as you can see, scaring out the Lady Dior. So guys, here are my favorite ready-to-wear pieces from the runway. What do you think, guys? Do you feel that Dior is much cooler now compared to the previous creative director, in my opinion, guys? So I would say yes. JW Anderson delivered really well. He injected his signature, very fresh design, of course, referencing the archive from Monsieur Christian Dior. And just look at this bag charm, so chic and so creative. So we have more charms over here. And then, of course, just look at the bumblebee button at the collar design. And of course, guys, this is the inspiration, the archive inspiration. And then this is another inspiration for the short pants.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the very beautiful new bags of Dior Men's, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!